Body typology is way more than just endomorph, ectomorph, mesomorph. It's a complete science that has to do with balancing your glands from the inside of the body. So we distinguish either adrenal, pituitary, gonad for the woman only that has to do with the ovaries, or thyroid. Now we all have a dominant gland that determines our type, and this gland is working harder than the others, and the other glands are trying to catch up. So when you eat the right foods at the right time for your body type, your dominant gland calms down, the other glands get stronger, and it creates a balance. So your appetite is kept in check, cravings go down, you feel you have so much more energy, and the pounds come off where you most want them to. Let's face it, everyone is different. You're as unique as your fingerprint, and your healthy eating plan should be as well. I invite you to join me in my upcoming Healthy for Life Starter Kit. It's a challenge that's starting Monday, April the 15th. We're going to give you all kinds of tips about how to replace ordinary carbs with better alternatives, how to overcome cravings and late night snacking, and I'm going to be diving into way more about the body type, so hopefully you can figure out your type and get lots of tips. Join us. I hope you will sign up and see you on the inside. The link is below.